The future is here. The top 5 cutting-edge AI technologies you need to know. Intro. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of AI and technology? In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 cutting-edge AI technologies that are changing the game and shaping our future. From autonomous systems to deep learning algorithms, get ready to be amazed by the incredible advancements in this field. Body. First up, we have autonomous systems. With the development of self-driving cars and drones, autonomous systems are revolutionizing the transportation industry and changing the way we move. Next, we have deep learning algorithms. With the ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data, deep learning algorithms are powering many of the AI advancements we see today. Third on the list is computer vision. From facial recognition to object detection, computer vision is allowing machines to perceive and understand the world in ways we never thought possible. Fourth, we have natural language processing. From chatbots to speech recognition, NLP is allowing computers to understand and interpret human language with stunning accuracy. Finally, we have the Internet of Things. With the integration of smart devices, the IoT is creating a seamless and interconnected world that is transforming the way we live and work. Outro. From autonomous systems to deep learning algorithms, these are just a few of the incredible advancements in AI and technology that are shaping our future. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in this field and don't forget to like and subscribe.